Come here, come here. Shh. I've been lying to my family for a week. They think this is regular ice cream, but it's actually a high-protein dessert made from, you see. Everyone thinks cottage cheese is boring, but I'm about to prove them all wrong by turning it into the best homemade ice cream you've ever tasted.
Oh wow, pretty good. Now let's do our strawberry. Strawberry I really like. Ooh, yeah, nice. And now the chocolate. I love the chocolate because it's not overly sweet, because it's made with the dark chocolate cocoa powder.
Let's get cooking. Welcome, welcome. So we're gonna make cottage cheese ice cream. So what's great about this ice cream is that it is full of protein, right? So it's high protein. You got 12 grams of protein in here. This is a great thing to keep you full. You don't have to have that much. It cools you down and it satisfies that sweet tooth that you have, and especially a sweet tooth for ice cream. Here's our vitamin content. So come on, let's make it together. Now, I've seen this done all kinds of ways, a blender, a food processor. So I'm gonna use my blender to make it. So I'm gonna take half of the container of the cottage cheese. So we're gonna do vanilla first, okay? I'm gonna add a little heavy cream. It's about 1/4 of a cup of heavy cream. This is where your sweetness come in. Now you could use Allulose, maple syrup, honey. I've done it with the honey and I've done it with the maple syrup, and I think the maple syrup tastes better. 1/4 a cup as well. And this is, like I said, the vanilla one. So we're gonna use vanilla extract here. If you have vanilla bean that you wanna put in it, you could do that as well. I'm just gonna take a capful. I've done it without the heavy cream as well. And I have to tell you, I think it's much more creamier when you do add the heavy cream. So I would suggest that you do add it. So we're making chocolate now. I've already added half my container of the cottage cheese. I've done 1/2 of the heavy cream because chocolate is very absorbent, the powder. So I have 4 tablespoons of chocolate, and I actually did also 1/2 a cup of maple syrup. Actually went a little bit more than 1/2 a cup, but right underneath 3/4 cups of maple syrup, because dark chocolate, as you know, can be a little bitter. So I'm not looking for it to be super sweet, but I'm looking for it to taste a little sweet, but dark chocolate like. And I put some vanilla extract in it, a capful. Put in a plastic container. And so I'm gonna be honest with you. I've seen some people do this for like 4 to 6 hours in their freezers. But I have to be honest with you. I find that it's a much better outcome if you can leave it overnight. That would make it more, for me, like a little bit solid. A solid ice cream. You can put it the time frame that some of the other people are doing, but it's more really very much soft serve, as opposed to like, you know, you're scooping out and you get the ball of ice cream. I found that works better if you do it overnight. This is the chocolate here. We have the vanilla here already. Okay, so here's our strawberry. It's a little thicker because we have the frozen berries. So that's great. So we're gonna pour that in here. You know, the key is to try to freeze it overnight, you know, but if you really can't wait, try to make sure you get, I would say, 8 hours in. See, it's nice and creamy and thick. Oh, I know this one's gonna make a great batch. I think the frozen just kind of like really helps it, more so when it's liquid. So this is my next batch of my high protein ice cream. So this will satisfy my sweet tooth and also give me the protein to help keep me full longer, so I don't even have to have a lot of it. Let's scoop out our vanilla first and see how that scoops out for us. Oh, look at that, look at that.
Okay, vanilla. And for vanilla, I'm going to put some of my little chocolate nibs here on it. But that's fine. Oh, look at that. Okay. How our strawberry came out here. And for the strawberry, I think I want some berries for sure. Some berries. Let's add a little bit of blueberries. Chocolate. I love chocolate. I don't know how many of you guys love chocolate, but I love chocolate. So here's our scooped out. And this is our chocolate. And I have some walnuts here. So got to get our protein in, right? So I have my chocolate, have my fruit, and I have my walnuts. All right, so let me taste the vanilla first. Oh, wow. But it more tastes like a sweet and not so much salty, just a little hint. Pretty good. Now, let's do our strawberry. Oh, yeah, strawberry I really like. Ooh, yeah, nice. And now the chocolate. I love the chocolate because it's not overly sweet, because it's made with the dark chocolate cocoa powder. It just has the right sweetness. And you can taste that it's kind of healthy for you with the dark chocolate in it. This is really good. So if you're looking to lose weight, you'll fill yourself with protein, and well, at the same time, you're satisfied your sweet tooth, your coolness that you need to cool down. And I would definitely incorporate some nuts in it to give you more protein, some fruits, some fresh fruits, some chocolate like I did, or you could just have it plain. Here are a list of ingredients. Don't forget to click the like button by giving me a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets myself and my team know that you're enjoying the content we're putting out for you. And I thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you're new to this channel, I want to tell you welcome, where I welcome you here with open arms and great big hugs. And hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already, and the notification button so you know every time we upload a new video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.